Meaning of inbuilt.
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 Inbuilt. The term inbuilt refers to something that is already included or integrated into a system or structure, as opposed to being added later. It implies that the feature or capability is an inherent part of the design or construction and is not something that was added on as an afterthought. In the context of technology, an inbuilt component might refer to a piece of hardware or software that is included in a device or system as a default option. Overall, the term inbuilt suggests that something is an essential and integral part of a larger whole.